Hey friends, if you encounter the issue where a Bluetooth device is paired but not connected in Windows, then please watch this video. Now one may say reconnect the device, but here's the thing, it is already paired, it is not being connected. So what would you do in that case? The first solution is to run the Bluetooth troubleshooter. Right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, go to the system tab on the list on the left hand side, select troubleshoot, click on other troubleshooters, and then click on one corresponding to the Bluetooth troubleshooter. The next solution is to restart the Bluetooth services in plural. So search for services in the Windows search bar and open services. Now scroll down to the Bluetooth services. Right click on the Bluetooth audio gateway service and restart it. Then right click on the Bluetooth support service and restart it as well. Okay, and finally right click on Bluetooth user support service and then restart that one as well. Okay, and lastly reinstall the Bluetooth drivers. Search for device manager in the Windows search bar and open device manager. Expand the list of Bluetooth drivers. Right click on the Bluetooth media update media driver and update drivers. If that doesn't work, right click and uninstall the device. Okay, and then click on action and scan for hardware changes. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.